So I just finished cooking some chicken in this pan. See, there's the chicken. And this pan, and you see how it is right there? It's got all the stuff, almost burnt the chicken on there, and I'll show you an easy way that I clean it off. So I pour some water into the pan. I add a little detergent. Pour a little bit water in there, get a little bit sudsy. And I put the pan back on the stove and put it on medium. And then I just let that cook, kind of stirring it around. Get a fork to loosen up all the little pieces. Just stir that around. And just let it cook for about 10 minutes and come back every so often until all the pieces are not there and it's really clean. Just a little bit of suds. I didn't put too much. I'm going to just do that, and you see how it's loosening all the pieces on there. That's wasted chicken. Here. And I just keep doing that until it's loosened. And then when I don't feel anything else on the bottom, and then I'm going to pour it out, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. But that's an easy way and a quick way to clean your pots after your pans after you've cooked. So I'll be back. You see that it's heating up, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like. Okay, so there it is. It's much darker and it's heated up, and it's kind of smooth. I don't feel any crunchy pieces, so we're gonna walk over carefully to the sink. And I'm going to pour it out. And there you have it. It's clean. Now only do this to one of your pans that's kind of ate up. See, that's not really a good pan because I don't want to scratch up new Teflon pans. But there you go, and it's all clean. Just have a few pieces that I probably could have waited a little bit longer and got out of there, but that's going to be much easier to clean than it was before. Okay, hope you enjoy the video on how to clean a pan easily after you've cooked. Bye.